If you just bought a robot vacuum and you are not sure how to clean the filter, this video is for you. Before start cleaning, there is one thing you need to know. Not every robot vacuum filter is washable. Some filters can be rinsed with water, while others should never get wet. So always check the specifications before ordering a replacement. Let's take a look at the correct way to clean them. First, remove the dustbin and take out the filter. Before cleaning, gently tap the filter to remove loose dust and debris. If your filter is non-washable, this may be all the cleaning it needs. And if your filter supports washing, rinse it with room temperature water. Avoid hot water, detergent, or aggressive scrubbing. Attention! Do not soak the filter in water for extended periods of time. After rinsing, place the filter in a well-ventilated area and let it air dry completely. We recommend waiting at least 24 hours before reinstalling it. Do not use a hairdryer or direct heat, as these may warp the filter. Never reinstall a damp filter, as moisture can affect performance and may even damage internal components. Once fully dry, reinstall the filter and place the dustbin back into the robot vacuum. One more thing, washable doesn't mean permanent. Over time, fine dust becomes trapped inside the filter materials, and filtration efficiency gradually decreases. That's why even washable filters eventually need to be replaced. At techTongBo, we've been manufacturing compatible robot vacuum accessories for more than 10 years. If you have any questions about filters, brushes, dust bags, or other replacement parts, leave a comment below and let us know.